Right, everyone, in terms of Agile project management, there are really three keywords: Kanban, Sprint, and Scrum. Okay, and we're going to show you how that can be effected. All right. Remember, what you're looking at is waterfall. You're looking at the traditional way of scoping a project, outlining a project, scheduling, etc. Okay, all done there. You can see the baseline is there. You can see we have non-critical tasks, etc. You can see the milestone is on the 7th of July, etc., etc. Okay, good. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the Agile tools. And if we go to project over here and we look at manage sprints over there, that's a possibility to use that. Okay, all right, to manage the sprints. Managing the sprints is just one of the methods of using Agile, but we can also look at ways of using the Scrum or the Kanban system. Okay, all right. So if we look at managing sprints over here, we can add the sprints there. We will get back to that. Okay, what we need to do is under view, we need to see the different way the team planner, the task uses task board view. That's the task board view that is important. And the task board view makes a project look very different. Okay, so you can see task. This is basically your Kanban system, which starts, not started yet, next up, in progress, and done. You can rename these, okay? So you can call them what you want, but these are the traditional 4 columns in any board, Kanban board. Okay, now you can see none of these have started yet. They should have started yet, okay, but they haven't started yet, and some of them must have been done. Now we're working between traditional waterfall view and this view, the task board view, right? So removing furniture, let's say it's done. Because remember, according to my Gantt chart, the green line tells me, okay, all right, that today is beginning of Friday, okay? Now, if I tracked it in terms of original plans, it would come up to, well, it would take it as Cardle, sorry, pointed out earlier, it would take up to the end. Right. But no, we want to say it is in progress. So let's take remove furniture, put it underneath in progress. Okay. Now, this is an MS project, but you would do this on a whiteboard, or you would do this with pieces of paper or stickers on a wall, whatever, to develop your task board. Okay. Cleaning office is also, next up is drawing inventory. Okay. All right. Let's go and have a look at the Gantt chart. Okay. It doesn't change anything here, but it changes the view of it. Okay. So draw up inventory is next up. Remember, Andrea pulled it back to Friday, but I've kept it back on Monday. Okay. Because let's say I just invented a scenario where they wanted it earlier day, but we'll keep that there. Okay, all right. If we go back to our task board, how does the task board interface with the Gantt chart? Well, all this means is if what is in fact finished, let's look at what's finished. I'll show you. What's finished already, theoretically, is cleaning the office. Okay, so let's go back to the task board, and cleaning the office would be over here, done. Complete, 100%. Notice the tick already. Now, here's the interesting thing, okay? It's updated it in the Gantt chart, and it's put a blue line through there, do you see? Okay, all right. But you say to me, but why is it not reflecting the percentage complete on removing the furniture? We go back to the task board, we have to do that manually. So we go to remove the furniture, we double click remove the furniture, and we go, let's say, to 70%. We determine that ourselves, okay? Click on OK. All right, so 70%, we go back to the Gantt chart. There we go, 70% done, do you see? Up until sort of late yesterday, okay? All right, so that's how we update the task board, okay? That's using the Kanban method. I'm going to stop recording now. Are there any questions regarding that?